Hi guys, what's going on? It's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. And in today's video, I'm just going to show you how to live stream on Discord on a PC or laptop. If you find this video helpful today, please leave a like and drop a comment below. And if you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more step-by-step tutorials, how-tos and tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. So in order to do this, you can do this via the Discord app or via the web browser. It's all down to personal preference. In today's example, I'll be showing you how to do this via the web-based application. So what you want to do is open up Discord and log into your account. And then once you're logged in, what you want to do is come down to any of your servers. So I'm going to use the server that I've made as an example. And basically what you want to do is come into a voice channel, so you can set up a new one or you can come into the general one. So once you're in the voice channel, what you're going to do is you can see where it says voice connected down here, and what you want to do is click on this one which says share your screen. Clicked onto share your screen, what's going to happen, it's going to come up with this. And what you can do is choose your settings from here, so you can choose to share your entire screen if you want to, or you can choose to just share the window that's open, or just the Chrome tab. So I'm just going to go on to share the entire screen, and what you want to do is click this box down here which says share audio to make sure that the audio is going across, and then just click to select and then click the share button down here. So what you can see, it's come up with a little pop-up, like a little pop-up in a window down here. So this is actually my stream. You can see what's being broadcast is on my screen. And you'll see if I move this out of the way a minute. You've got a confirmation there saying that is sharing your screen and audio. You can just click hide to get rid of that notification. And if you look in the top right hand corner, you can see under my username it says sharing this screen. So now anyone in the server can double click and they'll be able to see your live stream. And yeah, that's basically how you do it. So if you want to stop streaming, all you need to do is come down and click this box here where it says stop streaming. Or you can do this over here in the voice channel chat as well. You just need to click on the picture of this computer screen with the cross through the middle. And that's going to stop the stream. But that's how you do it, so I hope you found that helpful. If that did help, please leave a like and drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you do want to help support the Digital Tutor channel, there is a link in the video description down below. If you go and give that a click, you'll be able to buy the team here a cup of coffee. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.